It's a couple Jordan 1 retros and they gotta be in your collection. You just collect them, you never gon' step in. I can respect it, but that ain't for me. I gotta lace up these black cement threes and throw a little fit together. Get on the go out, place a bid, and hopefully I can just hit forever. I'm from the bottom, a little wanna ride with this part about culture, you gotta be fly. Ralph Lauren with the Air Forces, put that shit on to the day that I die. Nikes over Adidas.
What, these fours came in? Oh my god.
Oh yeah,
these bitches are hard.
See, look, man, Jet Black over at the crib, man. This man over here checking some shoes out. But look, y'all, we got a nice video for y'all. Hope everybody doing all right today. Shout out to my cousin Jet Black. Y'all see him in the background. He is moving about right now. But Cuz hit on the Travis Scott 6s for me, man. Hey, bruh. Thank you, man. Hey, listen, I hit Cuz up. I was like, hey, bruh. You going for them Travis 6s? He was like, nah. I said, man, I asked him if him and his old lady would put in for me. He was like, in the words of him, no doubt, big bro. Hey. hey.
It was like 20 minutes before the draw closed. I was like, oh, let me go ahead and do this.
So, bro put in, we had, when he put in, went on ahead, his old lady missed the draw, I put in, and it was just like, man, like, what? 2 minutes after the draw closed, bro, I had already got mine not selected. This man hit me up and was like, hey, I got him, bro. I was like, bro, stop lying, bro. He was like, no, I got him, bro. You good. You got him, bro. Don't even worry about it. You good. I said, man, hey, still in disbelief. I have not hit on a pair of Travis Scott Jordans since the 1s, and before that I hit on the 4s, and I hit the 1s on his website, the highs, and then I hit the 4s over on sneakers. Now this is the 3rd pair of Travis Scotts that I've been able to get, and I got them all for retail. My God, yes sir. So right here, y'all see it, man. We got the Nike box. You know, they've been switching it up a little bit. So you got the little, what is that, saving the planet type vibes on that thing, man. What is that? We are offsetting 100% of the carbon emissions for this shipment. Anyway, man, enough of that, man. I want to see the shoes. He want to see the shoes. This Jet Black first video with your boy, man. And we gonna go ahead and crack these bad boys over, man. What your expectations feeling like, bro?
I don't know. I'm ready for that smell test of food, though.
Oh yeah, Oh, yes, sir. Box presentation is on point. They get their box right here up out of here, man. Let's get this box up out of here, man. So, man, first things first, man. A little dent on the box, but we ain't tripping off that, man, because it's the sneakers that we want to see, man.
That's hard.
It's the sneakers that we want to see, man. Like what you thinking with the box presentation off of it, bro?
I like that. I like that.
You know what I'm saying? Because Jet Black not real big into the sneakers, but, bro, I got some heat. You feel me? You know what I'm saying? He got some heat.
I'm shaky.
But man, alright, bruh.
I like that smiley face right there.
That Travis smiley face go hard. I think it's on the other side too, bruh. You know what I'm saying? And it's thundering outside, y'all. So if y'all hear the rain, man, hey, just don't even mind it, man. But we gonna pop the lid together. Oh yeah, we got the dust cover, man. We got the dust cover, bruh. What you thinking about that, bruh? What you thinking about that? Hey, smell it, bruh. Just smell that thing. I can smell. I can. Woo! Good Lord, them things smelling good.
Oh, that's hard. That's hard. That's hard right there.
You know what I'm saying? Hey, nice little piece to add. You know what I'm saying? Bro, that's you, bro. That's you, bro. That's you, bro. That's you, bro. Hey, you, bro. You can do whatever you want with it, bro.
Go ahead and put this, you know, might go back to school, use it for my books or something. I don't know.
You know what I'm saying? Hey, I'm gonna let Jet Black get a nice little smell of that thing, man. Get a nice little smell of that thing, bro. Oh yeah. Them things smelling good.
Make the back of your head stand up. Make the hairs on the back of your neck stand up right there.
You know what I'm saying? Hey, we got the little brown tissue paper. Now look, y'all, I'm gonna do a full detailed review for you guys in an on feet, but I just wanted to do the unboxing with my cuz, man, and bring this video to y'all. And we ain't ever been able to do a video. He actually shot one of the videos. He was behind it. Y'all can hear him talking, but he ain't never actually been on the camera, so we had to get him on. Actually, he was on the camera. He just didn't. He ain't talk too much. You know what I'm saying? But we got him for another one, bruh. And man, look, we gonna pop this lid, bruh. Whoo! Yes, Lord, bruh. Hey, I'm gonna give you the honors. I'm gonna give you the honors to touch the things, bruh. Hey, I'm gonna touch the other one, G. Hey, woo! Them things looking clean, dog. And the bottom's glowing in the dark, G. And the bottom's glow in the dark. Yes, sir. Bruh. That's some hairy suede on these things, man. That's some hairy, bruh.
This man got the pockets on the side.
Pockets on the side, both sides, man. Look at that.
2 pairs of shoestrings right
there. They did the other side. They got a little zip on that thing. They got the zip, bruh. Travis Scott. I ain't gonna lie, bruh. I wish you would have did this concept with the first pair that he came out with too, having both the pockets and everything. This colorway is just. This that desert sand type colorway. Oh, bruh. Hold up now. Hey, that jump fire, bruh. I ain't even see that. You got a different lace lock, man. Check that out, man. You got a different lace lock inside of the pouch, man. Jet Black over here finding everything, G. Then you got the smiley face on that thing, man.
Inside right there. Got the Cactus Jack. Ain't that it right there?
Yes, sir,
That's
man.
hard.
Yes, sir, bruh. These things gas, bruh. I ain't even gonna cap. I ain't even gonna cap, bruh. I think that the original pair, the green pair, I like that colorway a little bit more, but I like the way that they built this silhouette better. Like just by adding a little smaller things, like having a little smiley face right here on the inner panels on the bottom of the midsole, how they did the zippers, man, throwing the second zipper on there. It's just little small things, man, that they did on this pair. Then you got this little, I don't even, bruh. We don't get all the way into a full detail review tomorrow, man. But I had to get CUZZO's first thoughts and opinions that insole, man. That sock liner. That sock liner matched the bag, bruh. That sock liner matched the bag, bruh. You see what I'm talking about? See how the sock liner right there? Yep. All of this area right here matches the bag, kind of, sort of, like with the material. Just kind of, sort of. You feel me?
This is different than anything I done seen before, me personally.
Bruh.
I don't know too much about shoes, but
you messing with them, G?
I'm rocking with these. I'm rocking with these right here. This is tough. See, I don't know too much about it, but them tough right there.
Bruh, hey, appreciate you, cuz.
Oh, for sure, bro.
Appreciate you, cuz. Hey, cuz hitting, hey, that's his first sneakers hit, dog. That's his first sneakers hit. I told him, bro, we gotta play the lottery, dog. Hey, I would've played the lottery. I ain't hit no numbers, G. No numbers when I went and played. I think we put like 30 on the Mega Million, bro. With the Mega Plier, hit nothing. But yes, Lord, man, we have the Travis Scott Jordan 6s, man. You know what I'm saying? Hey, the British khakis. Cause what you give them out of a, all right, so I know you ain't never really did no ranking, but what would you say these are out of a 1 out of 10? What would you get these?
Oh, that's a 10.
You give them a solid 10. You give them a solid 10.
That's a solid 10. Then I gotta give them an 11 because, you know, the
pockets?
Yes. Not even just that, with the little
stat, and then you got the little extra lace locks in there. I ain't gonna lie, that was dope, bruh. That was smart to put that look. I ain't gonna care. I didn't even know they came with an extra lace lock until you just pointed that out. I would have found that when I was doing the video tomorrow. But you know what I'm saying? I would have noticed it. Like, it wouldn't have popped out to me. I would have been shooting and I probably would have noticed it at the end, because I probably just would have popped it open and went like this in the video. But yes, fire pair, bruh. Fire pair. What color laces you will rock with them, bruh?
I ain't gonna lie, bro. I'll probably go with the pink joints.
Alright. It's like an infrared, ain't it? Yeah. Like a hot pink infrared type vibe. And then on the bottom, bro, did you check the bottom out?
Yeah, man.
You got that Travis Scott.
They did their thing with this one right here.
Got that Travis Scott on the bottom, G. Hey, big Fuego 5 Flame, G.
I like it.
Big Fuego 5 Flame. Hey, full detail review and on feet coming to you guys tomorrow, man, because y'all know we rock the sneakers over here. Jet Black had to come through and bless it. You know what I'm saying? Had to have bro get in the camera, man. Appreciate you, G, for rocking out, helping your boy out, man. Yes, Lord. Hey, I still can't believe that's his first sneakers dub, dog. And it's crazy because my first sneakers dub that I ever got on an exclusive sneaker was the Travis Scott 4s.
We might got a trend going right here.
You know what I'm saying? Hey, we might be on 5, man. We might be on 5. We got the 4s. We got the 6s, and we got a pair of 1s.
You might hit with the, see, it kind of went in 4, 6, 8. If you come out with the 8.
Man, I don't think Travis gonna drop no 8. You think he gonna drop an 8?
You never know. They coming out with different stuff. So it's a new day and age.
So 1, 4, 6, 8.
There might be some numbers to play.
You know what I'm saying? The reason why I don't think he gonna get an 8 is because Drake got an 8, bruh.
See, that's how much
Drake got an 8 and Drake got a 10.
You never know. Like I said, it's a new day and age. New day and age.
And Drake got a 14.
Maybe some 11s.
Man, they give Travis a pair of 11s, brother. Hey, that's gonna break the. You already know folks go crazy on the Travises, man. Collabs in general, man. 2021, you already know. Everybody going after them collabs. Everybody gonna go crazy for them. I definitely would say that the price, it's a fire sneaker in hand, dog. I really like the OGs, but I'm digging. I like the color of the OGs, but this suede on these bad boys and that. Woo, that smell, dog. I don't remember that.
Like
I don't
a
remember
different smell.
Yeah, I don't remember them OGs smelling like that, G. I don't remember them OGs smelling like that, G. But yes, sir, we got them bad boys in the collection now, dog. So hey, stay tuned tomorrow, man. We're gonna do full detail review. I already said it a couple times, man. But yes, Lord, man. Hey, appreciate my cousin for pulling up. Y'all already know, if you guys are new, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button, ring that notification bell. Join your boy DaRetroWizKid and the Sneaker Dudley family. All the love and support is greatly appreciated. Head over to Instagram, follow your boy DaRetroWizKid. And we can't end the video off without saying thank you, y'all. We hit 12K. Hey, I ain't think we was ever gonna jump out of 11K something subscribers. We in the 12K vibes, man. On the race to 20K, y'all. So I appreciate y'all. Until the next video, man, it's your boy
JETBLAKK.
It's your boy DaRetroWizKid, and we out this thing. Get it!
It's a couple Jordan 1 retros and they gotta be in your collection. You just collect them, you never gon' step in. I can respect it, but that ain't for me. I gotta lace up these black cement threes and throw a little fit together. Get on the go, out, place a bid, and hopefully I can just hit forever.